most profitable trading
I
pattern.
believe it's important we go for everything we want in life because we only have one life to live. So we have to give it everything we got and try to make our dreams, our hopes, our aspirations become reality.
Most profitable trading pattern.
If you ever wonder why whenever you draw a trend line, the price breaks it, as if it was a piece of nothing, it's because you are drawing your trend lines wrong. There are 3 major rules that you must follow to trade on trend lines successfully. First, the price must touch the trend line 3 times in order to count as a trend line. For example, if you draw a trend line, which the price has bounced from only 2 times, then it's incorrect, and you should not trade based on it. Second, the best trend line angles are between 30 to 45 degrees. If your trend line is too steep or almost vertical, then it's incorrect, and you should not trade based on it. Third, you need to pay attention to the price action, so when the price comes back to touch the trend line for the 4th time, giving you a trade opportunity, that 4th touch must happen slowly. So, if the price does the 4th touch of your trend line with a sharp move, then you should not trade based on it. Please share, like, and subscribe.
Moving average crossover system seems easy. Price goes down, then you get your magical crossover. Price goes up, you're a millionaire. But here's the problem. Which moving average do you use? Do you use a ribbon? Some kind of rainbow? Which time frame do you use? Don't get me started on which Fibonacci is the best or where's the best place to take your target, because then it's just a guessing game. If I enter here, should I put my stop loss here or lower? So many questions, and this can get really confusing. So this is how I change that. 2-line breakout, bearish Elliott wave, downtrend. You would see something like this on your moving average. Instead, make a trend line using these highs as resistance. Wait for price to come out of that resistance and pull back down to it. Take this line here, duplicate it, keep the same angle, and move it here. When price breaks against this second resistance line, enter into the trade. This works on any time frame. Resistance, resistance, breakout, comes back to that resistance level, duplicate, keep the same angle. Once price breaks out of that double line, enter into the trade. Where do you take targets? No problem, range box duplication. Here's a hint, make sure you use the range box based off this breakout line. Support, support, duplicate, enter on the breakout, range box, duplicate, right to the target. Resistance, breakout, duplicate, enter, range box, duplicate, right to the target.
All right.